business would go in a different direction. This isn't about COVID. It's not about a mask or no mask. My actions are based on knowing my rights and the outright disregard for those God-given rights that your actions have violated. You don't get to play public health director. It doesn't matter if DeWine said you mandate masks or the public school or since Children's Hospital. Actually, DeWine's throwing you under the bus because he doesn't want to take responsibility. At the last meeting, I served 4 board members an affidavit. I'm thinking either you didn't read it or you showed it to someone who advised you to ignore it. Either way, your disregard of the notice was foolish. By not submitting a rebuttal, you have agreed to all the charges. You have admitted to criminal activity. That means you forfeit the right to sit in that seat. I have notified the Ohio State Board of Education and the Claremont County Commissioners of your criminal activity. Because of your continued disregard for the law, this week I will submit a citizen's county criminal complaint. I'll submit it to the sheriff, the county prosecutor, and the attorney general. And if they don't act on their oaths and they don't arrest you and remove you from your office, I will be in court with the unrebutted affidavits where you agreed you were criminals, and a judge will not ignore that. You will be removed from office. All this could have been avoided if you would have followed your oath and done what was necessary. I also had the intention of filing a hit against your bonds of office, but I discovered that you have none. That also is very unfortunate for you, because that means you are personally liable for any actions against you, and it is entirely possible for complaints to be filed demanding compensation for mental health appointments, for stress, strain on parents and children, only to name a few. Sadly, you underestimated the people of Milford. Sadly, you forgot you took an oath to support the Constitution. This unlawful structure that is in our government is coming down. Oh, and I now get to serve you with another affidavit from Rachel Davis, who could not be here. The evidence continues to mount.